Welcome back to the channel. Today we're milling logs. No chit chat, no drama, just hard work. I got a big pile of logs to get through. Let's make it happen. Well, I brought those boards home yesterday because I had to clear out this space in this barn. There was a workbench here I had to get rid of, move a lot of my things. I want to get these boards stacked up out of the wind and the rain to help reduce the amount of twisting and cupping and splitting. This is all eastern hemlock. I always wondered why I didn't see a lot of things made out of hemlock, and now I definitely know why. Having worked with some, it moves a lot. Splits, cups, twists, all of it. So whatever I can do to help mitigate some of that, I'm going to do. And now in classic Michigan fashion, I came out this morning to a cold and rainy day, you know. One day you're wearing shorts, the next day you've got 3 layers on. That's the way it is up here in the fall. But I'm still going to get over to the mill. I'm going to keep attacking that pile. And I just figured I'd show you what I had here so far. So down here at the bottom, I've got these 3.5-inch slabs. 2 of them, you can't see the other one, it's tucked back there. And those were the 2 center slabs out of my thickest logs. I don't know, I'm going to try to make a table or something out of them. That's why they're so thick. I anticipate they're going to move a lot, and it'll give me plenty of room to flatten them. And then it's just 1-bys the rest of the way up. I've got, you know, 10-inch boards, 8-inch boards, and 6-inch boards. And I left this space here because I've got 2 short logs I'm going to take 3.5-inch slabs out of, and I can put, you know, one of them here, one of them there, and then I'll just keep sliding in 1-inch boards. I didn't want to fill that with 1-inch boards and have a hard time getting those slabs in the bottom. And I also have found my first roof leak. It's an old barn. It's just dripping through the joists, but I know I've got some tin up there, so before I leave, I'm going to grab some old barn tin. I'm going to put stickers down because I don't want the metal to be touching the wood directly. I don't know, I might be wrong, but I think that would leave some staining. And all those stickers are made from the offcuts that I had from those 2 logs. Yeah, something like that. Now, I've got a roof inside a roof. I think these 2 logs up top are the ones that I'm going to go for. They're of good size, but they're very short. Maybe I can do 2 more 3.5-inch slabs, and then I could do some shelves, maybe some floating shelves or something. So what I need to do first is change my blade. At the end of the day, milling, I noticed I started getting some wavy cuts. Anytime I'd hit a knot, it would wander and then come back, hit a knot and it would wander and come back. Dead giveaway for a dull blade. So we're gonna get that blade changed this morning. I'm gonna get these short ones on, and then I think I'm gonna hop back down to these bigger logs and we'll see what we can get home. But it'd be nice to start getting this pile shorter. I've eaten, after these 2 logs are gone, I'd say the front half of the pile is done. And now I'd like to start eating down from the top. And everything today is gonna be eastern hemlock again. So we're gonna start with changing a blade, get these logs on there, and then hop down to these bigger ones. What a day. The rain's finally stopping now that I'm done working, of course, but it's all right. We made good progress. At the end there, I milled up this 8x8. I've got an idea of doing a nice heavy mantelpiece in the house that I'm going to put up over yonder. And I don't know, we'll see how straight it stays. I can always bring it down in dimension to square it back up, but I'm happy to have that. That was a nice, clear, straight log, and I think it'll make a really nice timber. And then these 1-inch boards, I've got various widths, you know, 6, 8, and 10 inch by 1 inch. And those will all become shiplap boards to do the basement in that house. That's my goal. It's a project for another day. Right now I just need to accumulate a very large volume of 1-inch boards. And I got about 30. I think it was 28 when I counted. And then of course at the bottom I've got those 3.5-inch slabs. So I think, like I said, those 2 long ones I'm going to try and do maybe a coffee table out of. We'll see. We'll see how they hold up. It'll be a few years before I get to those. And the 2 smaller ones, the shorter ones that are also 3.5 inches, will be, I don't know, benches maybe, or a floating shelf perhaps. I'm not sure. Another project for another day. Right now I'm wet, I'm tired, and I'm hungry. So those are 3 signs the day has come to an end. I appreciate you hanging out with me. Thanks for milling, and I'll catch you on the next one.